What's up, guys? Back with another one. We're doing VLM again today. Truck mount's still in the shop, but most of my clients have no problem with VLM. I did have one client, all looking all goofy here. I did have one. It was scheduled, and I've scheduled like a couple weeks in advance. And at the time, she didn't think she had any pet problems. They're buying the place, and so the day before, I gave her a call. I said, we got in this situation, but we offer a little moisture. Does a great cleaning. But she just found out that there was a cat issue in one of the bedrooms. So she wasn't comfortable with that method. She says, it kind of like came dry. I said, yeah, similar to that. She said, yeah, I kind of want the truck mount, So had to, actually I had to pass that one off because she had a 2-day time frame. And I don't think I'll have my van back by then, unfortunately. But I know a guy locally, Mark, Mighty Green, was willing to take on a job, I'm pretty sure, if he can fit it in. So that helps her out, definitely. Not me so much. But yeah, that's it. Some people are not going to be, they don't want the low moisture method, right? We know it's carpet cleaning is what we can do with it, but people have to feel comfortable. That's why it's always good. If you're doing low moisture, have a great portable. I know I got a portable, guys, but I'd rather lose the money than pull that thing in, right? Matter of fact, I think I'm gonna go ahead and upgrade my portable and get one of those through Optimum Floor Care. Put it in this van. It works like a truck mount, so I don't have to bring the machine in. I don't want to do that and refill and stuff like that. So, all right, let's see what we're doing. All right, so we're doing these rugs. I told them that the phrase on here is not going to look too good. Back into the rugs. And these rooms, lights are off. I did a walkthrough. Where are the light switches? There we go. Did a walkthrough already and checked for pet problems. There is a dog odor, but not much dog stains. But I did find a few. Not too much, so I have to charge. We'll see. I'm gonna have to evaluate a little bit more. Might just charge it for one pet treatment. Okay. Rugs, and then the main house. So this is the guest vacation house. They rent this out. So yeah, we'll do this, and then I'll do some recording in the other house. Stay tuned. All right, so got my spotter bag here. Organic. So I did detect a few more than like I said. I'm not gonna do a full stain removal deal, but I am gonna boost my pre-spray with deodorizer. Detect with one hand, hold the light and spray. See if this works out. Small. You know what? I'm just gonna show you. So some spots right here, right there and right there. And a couple of little spots in the other room. So we're gonna take care of that too. There. All right, and the rest is just a dander smell. So that's what the deodorizer's for. All right, so this is Iron Man bonnet, and it's cotton, and it's looks a little dirty. It's a little wet now because I wet them. And plus, I don't bleach them. So when you start bleaching these things, you're gonna have them falling apart and not lasting long. So don't bleach these things. Smells a lot better. Looks great. I'm gonna go ahead and rake all this out before I'm done. All right, so this is the main living area. Got a little bit of spill, probably water. This is probably some type of water stain. I did treat this, let it sit and dwell, let it do its thing. So what I usually do is kind of just walk through, notice any specialty staining, and address that. So, you know, with chemistries, 12 times, really good thing to have. Brenda already went through and back into ahead of me on everything. So yeah, this carpet needs it, right? It's ready. But easy cleaning as long as you know what you're doing. So what I'm gonna do with this one, I'm actually gonna go ahead and boast it with some angry lemon. All right. So this is a vacation rental place, and I'm not sure too much about this end of the house, but the other one. So yeah, I have to keep it maintained. Man, I used to drink like 2 Cokes a day. Started drinking these things, and now I'm done like 1 or 2 Cokes a week because this kind of quenches it. This is not a LaCroix advertisement. But we are into healthy and cleaning too, right? You gotta be healthy to be able to clean. Keep that business going, but yeah, it's got that like that quenching deal that Cokes do and stuff. But it's good for you. It's just water. Yeah, 2 ounces per gallon should do the job. All right, I'm gonna start off with the microfiber in these heavy trafficked areas, and then I'm gonna go switch over back over to the Iron Man. Nice. Switch back over to the cotton. I think you guys got the idea. All right, guys, all finished up. I know you see those dark areas. That's just worn fiber. It's a very old carpet. It looks like this every time we do this. And we do a hot water extraction every other time. So I did question myself first time doing this job. But yeah, once you get experience in this, you kind of know when to stop kicking yourself in the butt, because it's not you, it's the carpet. And there is always notoriously shadowy. It's frayed fibers, guys, so when it's old and polyester kind of frays like this, light reflects off of it, makes it look like a shadow. All right, actually it makes it look like dirt when it really is a shadow. All right, guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and just rake all this out and call it a day. So thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment. We'll see you in the next one.